The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant that is native to the wetlands of the southeastern United States, specifically in North Carolina and South Carolina. The plant was first discovered and documented by Europeans in the late 18th century, but has been used by Native American communities for medicinal purposes for centuries prior. Since its discovery, the Venus flytrap has captured the imaginations of people around the world due to its unique ability to trap and digest insects. Its popularity as a curiosity led to overcollection, which resulted in a significant decline in the wild populations. In response to this, the plant was designated as a protected species in North Carolina in 1958, and it is now illegal to take Venus flytraps from the wild. The Venus flytrap is a small, low-growing plant that has modified leaves with two hinged lobes. The lobes are covered in small trigger hairs, which cause the lobes to snap shut when triggered by an insect or other small prey. Once the prey is trapped, the plant secretes digestive enzymes to break down the prey and extract nutrients. The Venus flytrap is a temperate plant that requires specific growing conditions to thrive. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil that is kept moist but not waterlogged. It also requires high humidity and cannot tolerate high levels of dissolved minerals in its soil or water. The Venus flytrap is usually grown alone or with other carnivorous plants such as pitcher plants and sundews. It should not be planted with other types of plants, as they may not tolerate the same growing conditions. The Venus flytrap is primarily grown as an ornamental plant due to its unique and fascinating nature. It is often kept as a houseplant or in terrariums where it can provide a natural pest control method. Some people also use the plant for educational purposes or as a subject for scientific research. It is not used for culinary or medicinal purposes.